Hello guys, welcome back. I'm going to show you how to set spacing line spacing. So first of all, to add a texture layer or text layer, sorry. So what you're gonna do is about to add a text like this whenever you click on T and then starting with typing. And this we're about to go to regular font that you want or single thing that about have a font size. So this is really to be satisfied with going on with line high, which is about to go for line high right top corner. And I think when you want to add just line spacing for line high, if you didn't find it, line high over here, and then I started to do with auto, okay, and start to preview spacing changes in real time. Maybe you can start like 55 or maybe 100. Okay, this will be about to line high about how you would like to start to add how this tickets could be look like, and this is read on the through the typograph, and that's all about.